I did it all, I played pretend. I moved the mountains to be your friend. I wanna know if it matters.
Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel. Let's make a quick simple lunch for a Saturday lunch. Welcome to my channel. It's your host here, Maclean from Kenya, East Africa. Maclean Ashona from Kenya, East Africa, and my YouTube channel name is Maclean 987_KE. So guys, you are welcome. Let's make this simple spaghetti or pasta. You are all welcome. So guys, here I have my spaghetti and I have my coriander. Spaghetti and coriander. So let's make this delicious meal, because my daughter requested for the meal, so let's make the meal together. Don't mind about my black tea. Let's make the meal together and enjoy. First of all, I'll bring water to boil. I'll bring water to boil in my pan or sufuria. As I wash my coriander, so when the water is boiling, I have to add some salt. Salt to taste. That's enough. And let's cover the water so that it can boil quickly. So that it can boil quickly. The water has boiled. Let's add our pasta or coriander. We cover it for it to cook a little bit, like 5 minutes. Let's check our spaghetti. Now we have to break our spaghetti with our hand to see if it's ready. Let's give it like 2 minutes more, 2 more minutes. My spaghetti is ready. I'll place it aside. It's very ready. Place it aside. And here's my pan. Just a little bit of cooking oil. And margarine. And my coriander. Let the coriander cook a little bit. Now time to add our spaghetti. Black pepper. So guys, don't just eat spaghetti that is plain. Add at least coriander and black pepper and a little bit of margarine to make your food taste yummy. So this is the delicious meal I'm going to have with cabbage. It's very yummy, very tasty. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. See you on the another vlog next time. Bye.